Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to continue with chapter 1 Food. Where does it comes from? So, children, in this chapter, today we are going to discuss about the ingredients in the food items and the different types of organism on the basis of their food habits. So, children, we know that the food items may be eaten raw or the cooked form. The raw food items includes the fruits like the banana or the apple which you can see in this picture. So, children, just a single material or the ingredient form the food items. So we can say the materials which are present in the food items is called the ingredient. So for example, the rice. The ingredient of the rice is the raw rice and the water. For example, roti or the chapati. So we want atta or the and the water for their ingredient. So, children, there are the materials which are present in the food items single. It is called the ingredient. So, children, after that we are going to discuss the foods eaten by the living organism. Children, we know all the living things need food, and most of the plants can manufacture their own food. So, children, animals require the ready-made food, and we know that they eat either the plants or other animals. The different animals eat different kinds of food. So, children, on the basis of their food habits, we can divide animals into three types. First is the herbivore, second is the carnivore, and the third is the omnivore. So, children, animals which eating plants and plant products, they are called herbivores. And the animals like the cow, deer, sheep, elephant eat plants, so that they are called the herbivores. The second category is the carnivore. The animals eating other animals such as lion, tiger are called the carnivores. And the third category, which is the omnivore, we are included in the omnivore, that animals eating both plants and animals are called the omnivores. So children, like human beings, crow, all are the cockroaches or all are the omnivores. So children, the example of the herbivore are the cow, elephant. You can see in this picture the examples of the carnivores like lion, tiger, and the examples of the omnivores are crow, human being. Okay children? So children, why we need food? Children, we know that the food help us to grow. It keeps us healthy and it also gives us energy. Yes. So children, for the energy requirement or to perform various functions of the body to sustain the life. Yes. For the growth, we want the food. And children, for the repair of the damage and the injured body part, we want the food. And also for the protection from the diseases and the infection, we want the food items. So children, today we have discussed about the ingredient of the foods, the food eaten by the different living organism like herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. And also we have discussed that why we need food. So food is very important for our life. So hope children this topic is clear to you. Thank you children. And today's your homework. to revise this topic and read page number 2 and page number 3. Thank you, children.